Hello and welcome to Honeywell Safety Products instructional video of how to fit a G2 connector for fitting twin turbo lights to our Aircore and Revolution harnesses. So in the box you will have a G2 connector along with webbing retainer clip and also the backplate clip. So the first part of attaching a G2 connector is to fit the connector clip to the backing pad. So first thing we need to do is to move the webbing out from beneath the backing pad, like so, to create a gap. Once we have that gap, we need to fit the clip underneath the webbing. And we do this by moving the webbing slightly to one side, and then we fit the clip in between the gaps in the back pad and underneath the webbing. This can be a little bit tricky the first time, but if you just move that in there, that slides under. Then if we look underneath, you can see that the clip clips up into that slot there. So you can see that once that's fixed in position, that can't move anywhere. At this point you can then move the webbing back over the top of the back pad clip. Okay, so once we have the back pad retainer clip in place, we have the G2 connector here, which comprises of the connector and the polymer webbing retainer clip. The purpose of the retainer clip is to hold the connector in place on the back pad and also to make sure that the gate remains closed. Okay, so the next part now is to attach the connector and the turbo lights. So step one is to remove the plastic webbing retainer clip, click it off the side. Then we want to move this round to the back part and open up the carabiner. Stage one, before we attach this to the harness, we have to attach one turbo light. The turbo light should have the top termination removed and should just have the swivel. The swivel goes onto the connector like so, and we then need to attach the connector to the harness. The connector attaches to the harness through the loop that we've created with the plastic back pad clip. It goes through like so and out the other side. The last stage is we need to attach the other turbo light, which once again has had the top termination removed, and this attaches onto the other side of the G2 connector. We attach that on and allow the gate to close. We then use the webbing retainer clip to go over the gate, and each side attaches securely onto the connector either side of the webbing that runs through the back plate, like so. So you can see the advantage with the plastic clip is that it keeps the turbo light separated, and it also covers the gate and prevents it from accidentally opening in any situation.